Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is our first module on electricity and magnetism, and in this video we will just enumerate or nominate recommended books for this course. Okay, dear students, this course, that is electricity and magnetism, is a foundation level course, and we know that foundation level courses are taken during first half of a BS program. Okay, as we know that BS program is of 8 semesters, so this course, that is electricity and magnetism, is taken during first half of BS physics program. Okay, that is during the first 4 semesters of BS physics program, and these 4 semesters may also be treated as a part of associate degree program, or in other words BSc program. Okay, as per HEC previous setup. Okay, so electricity and magnetism is a foundation level course which is taught during first half of BS physics program. This first half is equivalent to associate degree program or BSc program. Okay, while in second half of BS physics program we take electrodynamics. Okay, that course electrodynamics is also usually split into 2 parts, and this foundation level course, that is electricity and magnetism, is also split in 2 parts. That is to say, these 2 parts of this course, each of 3 credit hours, may be taken during first and second semester, or during second and third semester, or during third and fourth semester of BS physics. Okay, so dear students, let us now come towards the recommended books. Okay, dear students, for this course we have chosen 4 general physics books, from which we will take into consideration only that part of these 4 books which is related to electricity and magnetism, and after this we will also consider some further subject specific books, because whenever some point is not clear we need to consult more books, advanced level books. Okay, so let us start our module in a formal manner. Or okay, electricity and magnetism, foundation level contents, that is chapters. Okay, dear students, we have chosen 4 general physics books in which we will also mention chapters, which will be our concerned chapter will be which will be related to electricity and magnetism. Okay, so first general physics book is Fundamentals of Physics Extended. Its authors are Halliday and Resnick and Gerald Walker. Okay, Halliday, Resnick, Gerald Walker. Its publisher is Wiley, and its 10th edition, which was published in 2014, or 11th edition, which was published in 2018, may be followed. Okay, from this book 13 chapters are related to electricity and magnetism. Okay, that is from chapter number 21 to 33. that is 13 chapters of this book which are related to electricity and magnetism will be a part of our uh, future modules. Okay. Second general physics book is Sears and Zemanski's University Physics with Modern Physics. Its authors are three authors: Hugh D. Young, Roger A. Friedman, A. Lewis Ford. Okay, three authors. Its publisher is Pearson, and its fourth edition, which was published in 2016, or 15th edition, which was published in 2020, or 16th edition, if available in market till our next uploading of video lectures. Okay, will be followed. Okay, dear students, this book both these book almost comprise 45 chapters, and our concerned chapters during this second book are chapter number 21 to chapter number 32, that is 12 chapters. Okay, so 13 chapters from first book Holiday, Resnick, Gerald Walker, and 12 chapters, that is from chapter number 21 to chapter number 32 from this book of Young Friedman will be taken into consideration. Okay, will be followed. Now we come towards further two general physics books. Okay, and we will specify the relevant chapters from these books which are related to electricity and magnetism. Okay, okay. So third general physics book is Physics for Scientists and Engineers with Modern Physics. Its authors are Raymond A. Survey, John W. Jute, J.R. Perhaps J.R. for junior. Okay. Okay, its publisher is Cengage, and its ninth edition having been published in 2014, or 10th edition having been published in 2019, or 11th edition if available in market till uploading of our upcoming next video lectures. Okay, will be followed. Dear students, from this book 12 chapters will be relevant with electricity and magnetism, that is from chapter number 23 to 34. 12 chapters. Okay, from chapter number 23rd to 34, these 12 chapters will be consulted, will be followed from this book. Okay, and now we come towards fourth book on general physics. This fourth book is Physics for Scientists and Engineers with Modern Physics. Its author is Douglas C. Giancoli. Its publisher is Pearson, and its fourth edition having been published in 2009, or fifth edition having been published, or probably under uh, under construction. Okay, 2021 will be followed. Okay, its fourth edition having been published in 2009 will be followed, and if its fifth edition, which was likely to be published in 2021 but has not yet been published, if available in market, then fifth edition will be followed. Okay, dear students, this fourth book on general physics also comprise about 45 chapters, and from these chapters 11 chapters are related to electricity and magnetism, that is from chapter number 21 to chapter number 31. These 11 chapters will be followed. Okay, now we come towards advanced level books, that is course specific books, higher level books which are only related to electricity and magnetism and are not general physics books. Okay, so books recommended: Book number 1, its author is I.E. Irodov, Basic Laws of Electromagnetism. Its publisher is Mir Publishers, Moscow, and edition is of 1986. Okay, perhaps, dear students, after 1986, its further edition has not been available in market, and it was translated from one language into English. Okay, so I.E. Irodov, this is the author of this book, and title of this book is Basic Laws of Electromagnetism. Its publisher is Mir Publishers, Moscow, and 1986 edition will be followed. Okay, book number 2. Its title is Electromagnetic Fields and Waves. Its authors are three authors, okay, four authors. Okay, Paul Lorraine, Dale R. Corson, Francois Lorraine, W. H. Freeman and Company. This is publisher. Okay. Three are authors: Paul Lorraine, Dale R. Corson, and Francois Lorraine. These three are authors, and its publisher is W. H. Freeman and Company. And third edition of this book, having been published in 1988, will be followed. Now we come towards book number 3. Book number 3, its title is Physics of Magnetism and Magnetic Materials. Its authors are K. H. J. Busko, and second author is F. R. D. Boyer. Its publisher is Kaluvar Academic Publishers, and edition was published in and this edition was published in 2004. Okay, now we come towards book number 4. Its title is Maxwell's Equations and the Principles of Electromagnetism. Its author is Richard Fitzpatrick, PhD, and its publisher is Infinity Science Press, LLC, New Delhi, and this edition was published in 2008. Now we come towards book number 5. Its title is Electricity and Electronics Fundamentals. Okay, its authors are Dale R. Patrick and Stephen W. Fardo. Its publisher is CRS Press, Taylor and Frankis Group. Okay, and its second edition, having been published in 2008, will be followed. Okay, so its complete publisher can be read as CRC Press, Taylor and Frankis Group, the Fairmount Press, 2008. Okay, second edition. Now we come towards book number 6. Book number 6, its title is Electricity and Magnetism. Its authors are Edward M. Purcell, and second author is David J. Morin. Its publisher is Cambridge University Press, and its third edition, having been published in 2013, will be followed. Now we come towards book number 7. Its title is Electricity and Magnetism. Its authors are B.I. Blaney and B. Blaney. Okay. Its publisher is Oxford University Press, and its third edition, having been published in 2013, will be followed. And now we come towards book number 8, which is the last book recommended for this course. Okay, last book recommended for this course, book number 8. Its title is Principles of Electromagnetics. Its authors are Matthew N. O. Sadiku, S. V. Kulkarni. Okay, slight unusual names. mistake may take place in pronunciation. This is a minor irregularity. Okay, its publisher is Oxford University Press, and its sixth edition, having been published in 2015, will be followed. And this is the end of our module. Okay.